Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I worked on pulling all the wire for this whole floor. As you can see, got all the wire in the boxes. I don't know if you care about the circuitry or anything like that, but there is on this side just a normal switch leg for the lights, and on this side over here we have the emergency power for the exit sign over in the corner, which you can't really see right there. So that needs a constant hot. So this one gets 4 wires. The black is the switch leg, and the blue is the constant power to the emergency. So yeah. So these outside pipes get the emergency circuit for the exit signs. Same with the ones over in the corner over there, which I will show you in a bit. So there's a north circuit and a south circuit, and also we worked on finishing this fire alarm pipe right here to that box right there, and also finished the pipe across the ceiling over the ledge right here. Woo! So worked on that with the ramp system again. Coworker did that as I assisted with the ramp management. So got that 90'd into this box. Got all these wires pulled, nice and stuffed in there. So that does it. Basically all the wire pulls were those 2 runs there, and then which is why I kept forgetting this circuit. So there was 3 pipe circuits right there, or yeah, 3 pipe runs, I guess, if you want to call it. And then the other coworkers were working on pulling the wire up through the big junction box again. And then also worked over here in this little room over here. I don't know if you guys remember, basically got these pipes set over here a long time ago. Now that they built the walls for this elevator mechanical room, you got this LB down right there. That's going to go into a panel right here or something like that, disconnect. And then this 2-inch had to go from here down over to here, so I had to feed the wire through the pipe because the wire was already pulled, so had to feed the pipe through the wire. That makes sense. And then left that set off the wall 7/8 for a strut, and left this one 7/8 off the wall for a strut. You can't really tell because the block's not there. And then that one was already there, so finished that. And then so this was after the wire pulls. Actually, no, thought I was done with the wire pulls, and then started working on that, and then remembered I wasn't done with the wire pulls, so we had to go back for that. So anyways, that light right there, this is the home run box. We did not pull the home run wire. It's not quite done downstairs yet, but pulled the 2 circuits through here, north and south, over to this box over here, and then pulled the 2 circuits from there over to there, which is where it splits off north and south. So the north will tie into the 1 circuit, and the south will come back this way. So, and then yeah, just continued pulling this wire, and this is the red switch leg right here, and those are only lights right there. And then this row has the emergency for the exit sign again over in the corner, so that will have the black, I think it was. So that's got the black one right there. I think that's all we worked on today. Also went over some stuff. Also went over the plans for tomorrow. So maybe I'll give you a little heads up there as I go downstairs. Maybe not, but I think that should wrap up everything I did today. Just working on assisting with the pipe runs, pulling all the wire, and the elevator mechanical room piping, and I think that was it. So yeah, so I don't know what to say about that, but had a nice little pizza party lunch, so that was awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Most of my coworkers, well, I guess 3 of them, Work 3 10s and I work 2 9s, so I'll be working till like noon tomorrow, and everyone else is taking the week off except for me and my one coworker that's been working with me. So we'll be here till noon tomorrow doing some more piping and stuff. So that should do it. Check the description for anything else. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. And I might roll over to the house today. Maybe they'll get the trusses on, I'm not sure, but we will see. And that should do it. Yeah, click the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. And I'll show you here real quick what I will be working on tomorrow once I can walk a little bit faster down this ramp over here. Actually, no, it was second floor, but basically the same thing on first. There's this room over here, and I will be, yeah, it's on second. There's a light box. I'll be setting a surface mount extension, piping through and 90ing through this wall into here, setting a box, piping down for a switch, which will go right about here, and then eventually MC over to a light. So that's for the dog wash area. And then lastly, it's gonna be a long walk over here, but I will show you what we are doing, or what I'll be working on. If my coworker finishes what he's doing, then he will be helping me as well. But back down here on the first floor, give me a second here. Traffic is noisy. So we'll be back down here on the first floor, and I will be piping out of this box right here over the ceiling. 90, set a box probably over here, 90 down for a plug, 18 inches off the center of the floor, and then take a 3/4 pipe. So this one will be 3/4 pipe up to box, I think 1/2 inch down, 3/4 across the ceiling. I don't know if the 3/4 will actually fit across the ceiling. It'll be tight, but that'll be going to the other side of the wall again, just like we did before. And then I will be setting a box on this pillar right here. So the 3/4 will go into a box, come back 1/2 inch down the wall for the plug, and then another 1/2 inch or 3/4 out for another box, which will eventually go to the trash compactors. And then there's some other stuff in the electrical room. The rest of the electrical lighting on third floor has to get finished and piped into the electrical panel. And then there is also a low voltage pipe that needs to get piped down for a low voltage panel, a few other things. So anyways, I'll show you guys tomorrow what that's all about, or what I get done tomorrow. So I don't know if this is making all sense to you, but anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.